bike check. Frame. Dartmoor, Nami, green obviously. 27.5 top tube. Held up real well for me. Been running it a while. Forks, Dartmoor Sato forks, in green as well. Held up real well with pegs, everything I've been riding. Got a little Dartmoor thing here as well. I like that. Stem is Odyssey Classic front load, I think. I've had it for ages. It's been sweet. Headset, so the Diatech, smooth. That's about it. Bars, Dartmoor Flow, cut them down a little bit. So they've been real sweet, turnouts, real high. Grips, ODI grips, alright. And obviously power ends I've had for about a year. Best power ends. Boo-boo-boo! Cranks are fly cranks. Sprayed them blue to match my rims. Premium slim metal pedals. Smooth, grippy. Alright. Dartmoor chain that I've had for ages. Premium sprocket 28. Running 28.9, so I like it a bit harder. Windy.
Go on.
Rims, Dartmoor Fortress, I think. Brakeless ones. Or brakes, I don't know. Dartmoor Park front hub. Chrome spokes, blue nipples. They've held up real well. Fit faff tyres, chunky ones. Back wheel is Dartmoor prototype Razor, which is right or left hand compatible. Dartmoor rim again, chrome spokes again. My seat, premium seat, real tough. Seat post is, I don't know, United I think. Had that for ages. I think that's about it. Boom! Driver.